Hey guys, what is up? How are you guys doing? How is your vibe today? Hope y'all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell to all so you don't miss any of the videos that I drop here on the channel. In today's video, we are going to be turning a set of glow-in-the-dark Dollar Tree press-on nails into luxurious press-on nails. I bought these at my local Dollar Tree for $1 before they went up on price. They are supposedly glow in the dark. You get 12 pieces. The glue is not even included, which we're not going to be using glue to adhere. We're not going to be using glue to adhere these. We're going to be using acrylics. And I'm going to see how long I can get out of these nails by putting on a peel-off base, applying these with acrylics, and I'll let you know how it goes. On the back of this, it tells you how to prep, to apply, how to remove, and it has the ingredients of the nails. Let me just show you real quick, just in case you're interested. All right. You would go ahead and size these just like you would any regular press-on nail. You would take it. That looks really big. Oh yeah. Is that the... Okay. Really? All right. So you would... You would take the nail and I guess, yeah, okay. So make sure that your nails are prepped and ready. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure that nail goes from one side wall to the other, okay? You don't want to press down, even though they are press-on nails, because you still want to have room for product. Okay, you guys, I went ahead, I buffed off the surface shine, I squared them off. Everything that I'm using is from Couture except the nails. I'm gonna prime all the nails first with a primer. That way it gives it a sticky surface. So I'm just gonna go over all these nails with a primer. And I also pulled out from the Vivid Girl collection, number 169. And this is a glow in the dark. After I have them primed, I'm going to take my Vivid Girl number 169. We are going to go over all these nails because it's pretty much the exact same color as the nail. And we're going to give it that Vivid Girl glow. I applied one coat of that to all the nails. I'm going to go ahead and give that a full cure. All right, we got that cured. I'm gonna take a lint-free wipe and I'm gonna wipe off the accent finger because that's where we're gonna put the sticker or stickers. Oh shit, I don't know. Which one should we do? Pulled these out too because I kind of wanted to put an FU. The FU fingers right in the center of the nail. He's like, not today. I won't take an offense. It's not anybody out there. I'm just putting it on there, okay? It's like little black and white lips. Put that right here. I'm gonna put this cloud with the arrow up. One on the other side. That looks pretty cute. Okay, we're gonna put the light bulb right here. Got a paper airplane, and I'm gonna put that over here. Little hashtag is gonna go on this one here. Once you get that on there, now I'm going to actually go over that with a very thin coat of my new Ultra Eclipse. Beautiful, right? We're just gonna go right over the top of that. Just like that. It's gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to do a 30-second cure on that. Now I'm going to take the top coat. We're going to do the glitter nail. So I'm going to grab little cupcake liner here. One coat of that on this nail here. It'll seal in the color and then it'll give adhesion for the glitter. I'm going to sprinkle it over this nail. Make sure it's covered and pop it into my light. Once that's cured, take a brush, dust off any excess glitter. Comment down below and let me know what you think so far. All right, I'm going to take number 163. This is a flash gel over here on this one. Look at how gorgeous that is. May need 2 coats. But ahead and do a cure. All right, now I'm gonna take my Bon Bon gel. This is one of the Stardust gels, number 004. This is one of my favorite gels, favorite gels. And those are gonna go on the middle finger. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna take number 147. This is a flash gel on the pinky finger. I'm gonna seal everything before I add my gems. I'll go ahead and just seal everything in. Make sure I cap the free edge. All right, you guys, on the sticker nail, I am going to matte that. I'm gonna go over that with the matte top coat and see if that will bring the stickers out a little more. And then give that a cure. All right, we got some of these beautiful fairy stones from Couture. I've got this one that I got from AliExpress. I have a couple other little hearts right here that have kind of the same reflection. White iridescent ones right there. Grab my Dom Thick Daddy top coat and my Squeezy Gummy Jelly by Couture. This just came out. He does have the Squeezy in the other tube, but this is the new tube. I'm gonna apply this one right here, and we're gonna lay this down like so. We're gonna put that here, the other heart, and place it down there. Dollop of gel here, there, and there. I'm gonna grab the fairy stone and we're gonna place it that way. And I'm gonna grab another fairy stone and place it that way. A large gem and put it down here. That and put it right there. Stone and put it right there. Do the same thing to the other pinky. We're gonna take that Dom top coat, go over the whole nail with that. And put those three on that nail. Let's go ahead and do a full cure. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my oil glue. I'm gonna put a thin coat of that on all my nails and let that air dry. I'm gonna grab my clear acrylic, some monomer. All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Wish me luck. I'm gonna grab some clips. Set that down in there. Apply it to my nail. Grab this thing, place that on there, and keep it moving. Apply it to my nail. Make sure the acrylic is sticking. All right, you guys, last but not least, go ahead and apply your cuticle oil. Rub it in real good. And there we have $1 nails turned into, I'd say at least $60 nails. At least. Look how cute they turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below. I am gonna wear them. We're gonna see how long they last. Here we go. Okay, they're still orange, you guys. So that pink did not work. Well, it kind of did on the thumbnails, but they are, I mean, they're still cute. They still glow. That's fine. How much would you guys pay for these? You let me know down in the comment section. Let me know. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Sending you guys lots of love and light. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Y'all stay blessed. Guys, I have had these on all day. I just wanted to do an update real quick. And I did go ahead and take my thick Dom top coat. And I went over these with a top coat instead of the matte. And then I did add a couple rhinestones to those. But yeah, they've been on all day. They're gonna stay on.